I poštovani gledatelji, studija Akord Bosanski Petrov doručuje na SmackDown Live na meč na 2-1 handicap meč. Novi interkontinentalni šampion Dolph Ziggler protiv former tag team partnera, protiv interkontinentalni pod svoji.
I'm Jamie Foxx from Verizon. In the nation's largest independent study by Root Metrics, again, Verizon is the #1 network.
Hi, I'm Jamie Foxx from Sprint. And I'm Jamie Foxx from T-Mobile. And we're just as good.
Really? Only Verizon
Really?
is ranked #1 nationally in data, reliability.
Ovo je studio Akord Bosanski Petrov i dobrodošli na SmackDown Live i na meč Dolph Ziggler vs Spirit Squad 2-1. Kao što znate, Spirit Squad se vratio na SmackDown Live roster. Wow, to je veliki uspjeh. Ništa njega odustaje, njega radi. Oh!
Starts October 21st. This is a snack. This is another snack. Oh, is that Hershey's chocolate? They're all snack brothers from the same snack mother. It's Hershey's Snack Mix filled with pretzels, almonds, and Hershey's chocolate. Boom! Snack-a-lacka. Hershey's and Reese's Snack Mix. Snacks on snacks on snacks.
You're a witch, right?
Uh-huh.
What do you think of my Popeye's $4 wicked good deal?
I love it. What is it?
Thin strips of chicken with a side, a biscuit, and sauce for $4.
That's a
Dobar početak SmackDown Live. To moj prvi je SmackDown Live na studio Akordu Bosanskog Petrovca Live. Oh my god. Dropkick Dolph Ziggler.
2017 Corolla, the Toyota Safety Sense Standard. Toyota, let's go places.
Tomorrow on E! The Bellas and their fellas are out of the ring and under one roof.
Sometimes you think things are a great idea. Oh,
Total Bellas, brand new tomorrow at 8, only on E!
Chrissy Knows Best, new episode, tonight at 10, only on USA.
Ako SmackDown Live. Evo nas nazvan SmackDown Live. Protiv Spirit Squad.
Spirit Squad, you're watching a handicap match that Dolph Ziggler specifically requested after the Spirit Squad almost caught